Whether you have a Silhouette Cameo 4 or a Cricut Explorer or any other Cricut cutter, okay, now that you learn how to make stickers, then what? One of the biggest questions that we get in our other YouTube channel that we make stickers is that how do we price stickers, like small stickers? And back then I couldn't tell them precisely how I did my pricing and all of that. But today I'm going to show you a system that I created. It's a calculator to estimate small stickers, and I set it up on my web page, and I wrote down the instructions of how the calculator works. And this is like a system that I developed, or formula, you could say that, how I price my stickers based on the quantity and the square inch. Because I've seen a lot of YouTube videos where people say just charge this for a two inch sticker, or charge this for a 4 inch, charge this for a 6 inch. But to be honest, it's a good method, but it's not fair for you because you don't keep track of how much you invest on your product, or how much you might lose using that. I mean, I'm not saying that that doesn't work. I'm just saying I have came up with a better way to estimate my stickers. And the way I do it, it's a way that balances for me. So that way, if the person gets a small quantity, I get paid more by the square inch. So that way it balances for me. I still make money even if it's one, two, three stickers. And if they get more stickers, they will get what they call a bulk discount, or if they get a huge quantity of stickers, they get a better price. And this is why I developed this method here, the formula. However, many can make their own starting price, but mine is based. I did a lot of information out there on Google and many other, like Sticker Mule, and Sticker app, and other websites that they also sell stickers. And I came up with the information that most people charge between 10 cents per square inch to up to $1 per square inch. But again, it all depends on the material that you use and many other factors. So this is why I wrote all of these instructions, and this is the formula that I use. And this is just an example formula. If they get 1 to 10 stickers, they will pay $1 per square inch. If they get 11 stickers up to 30 stickers, they will pay 55 cents per square inch, and so on and so on. So here's an example. Let's say someone walks into my store or orders a sticker. Let's say he only wants two stickers, and but he only wants the 2 inch 2 inch by 1, but only two stickers. Okay, two stickers. By the way, this calculator is set on default by price, starting at $1 per square inch, which is what the research that I did is how they start with the starting price per square inch. But again, I can customize my own price. If I don't like that price, I can either go up or down, whatever. But let's say they only get two stickers. Okay, here's the quantity. They only want two stickers, and they want a sticker that measures 2 inch wide by 1 inch height. And here's the formula. If they only get two stickers, that means they pay $1 per square inch. So I'm not gonna add any additional fees, because sometimes if I have to send it out, I have to charge for shipping, and that's what this additional fees for. So that way, if something comes up, or if I want to charge for a setup fee for a design, whatever. Most people don't charge tax for their stickers, but it's always to have. I developed this so just in case I wanna someday I get a huge order, like let's say 200 stickers, and I want to charge tax, I get the option to do so. But let's just give it a price without tax, and it'll cost $4 for only 2 stickers at this price. And they're only like small stickers, 2 inch. And the more they get, the better the price they'll get. Let's say, okay, I want the same size sticker, but I want, let's say, 50 of them. Okay, let's go 50. Now let's go up to the formula, and now that person qualifies for 45 cents per square inch. Okay, so let's change that here, 45 cents per square inch. Okay, now let's go to the calculator. $45 for all 50 stickers this size. Now let's say, okay, you know what, give me 200 stickers. So now qualifies for 15 cents per square inch. Again, this is just a sample formula. You know, if you want to do something similar, you can do your own prices and your own starting quantities. This is just an example, so you get the idea that I'm trying to show you here in my formula. So let's say 200 stickers, and it qualifies for 15 cents per square inch. Okay, 200 stickers and 0.15. All right, $60 for all 200 stickers. But let's say, okay, I gotta send them out of state, and I gotta send them on an envelope, and they will charge me like $8. And now this time I'm gonna charge 7% tax, which is what I did the percentage here where I live. So let's do 7, and it'll be $72.76 for 200 stickers, and it'll be shipped out to you on priority. I believe that's what they charge with that envelope that you get for free at USPS. And yeah, it is a very good, for me, it saves me a lot of time just remembering this formula, following this formula here, so that way I get an idea of how much I should charge per square inch depending on the quantity. Again, small stickers, for you to be fair and to charge every inch the material you use, it'll be fair for you so you don't lose money. It's better when you focus more on the quantity and the square inch rather than the size, because if you do the size, you're just guessing, you're just price guessing, and you might not be charging fair what you're supposed to charge. I'd rather just do this. Let me show you here an example. All right, so let me show you here what I mean when I say it has to be fair for you. You always gotta cover your losses first. So for example, I got these two samples here, these two stickers. They might look, clearly they're not the same size, but according to CorelDRAW software, which is the software that I use for to make my stickers or to do designs, they're both 2 inches. Okay, they're both 2 inches, but this one is more like a rectangle and this one is a square. So if you, let's say you charge, like most people on YouTube are saying, $2, charge $2 for a 2-inch sticker, let's say, it sounds like a good price, but they're not the same size, because according to the software, this sticker measures 2 inches wide by 1.95. Let's say 2 inches by 2 inches. So it's 4 square inches here. So it's 4 inches of material that you're gonna use for this sticker. And this one is 2 inches by 1. So it's only 2 inches because it's only 1 inch height. You get it? And it's not fair for you to sell them at the same price just because they're 2 inches. No, you're gonna lose those 2 inches on the bottom here. Let me just, so that way we are clear. Okay, let's make this square 1 by 1 inch. So this represents an inch square inch, okay? So you can see what I mean. If you put them together right here, that's 2 inches right there. But this one does not cover 2 inches like this one. See what I mean? You lose those 2 bottom inches right there. And this one, it covers the 2 inches that the system says. So this is just an example so you get what I'm trying to say here. Okay, let's remove this. So is it fair for you to charge at the same price when obviously this one requires more square inch of material? Okay, so hopefully you understand what I mean. This calculator is exactly to avoid that. So you cover your losses, you make sure that you charge accordingly and the right way, so that way you don't waste or lose money instead of making money. And this is the formula that I developed for me to charge my own stickers. And now let's say, okay, see, that's what I mean. When I say in the intro, it doesn't matter. You don't focus on the size of the sticker. Focus more on the quantity and the square inch. So again, for you to be fair, as I show you here, let's say they want this sticker, which is only 2 inches, okay? So you can see for yourself, okay? They only want 200 stickers. And this is the same measurement from this one here. 2 inches by 1 height. 2 length by 1 height, okay? So you can see it here, 200 stickers, $72.76 for this sticker right here. Now let's do this one here, the 4x4. Okay, you're gonna see the difference. Now, see all the money that you are wasting? That's exactly what I mean. It's not about the size of the sticker, but more like the quantity and the price per square inch. This formula has saved me and made me more money than any other formula out there. So yeah, hopefully this video helps you get an idea. If you are a Cricut cutter or a Cameo cutter, whatever, a cutting plotter, or if you outsource your stickers and sell them online or in person, this formula is gonna help you either way. It's gonna help you do the right pricing. And yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. And yeah, I would appreciate if you guys leave me a like and subscribe to the channel. This channel is more for like technology and reviews on softwares, but I will share, if you're interested, I will share my channel where I do only stickers and other stuff, so you guys can check out the channel. Thank you very much. I will see you guys again on the next video. Thank you.